Playing Subway Surfers part 4. Part 3 was not good. I did terrible. Alright. That was just bad luck though. My highest is 600,000, so we could get 700,000 in this one. We can try. But it's probably not going to happen. But who knows? Alright, go ahead and like and subscribe, because we're trying to hit 100 subs. But thank you for 10 subs. Thank you for hitting that like and sub button. Alright. So we're pretty far. I think we beat part 3. I think part 1 was our best. I don't know. So we're pretty far. If you're an OG and you watch my YouTube channel since I started, thank you. Cause I had my channel for 2 years. So I'm happy about that. I would quit YouTube by now. Like and subscribe.